So we're talking about your personal career, your modeling, which you chose to get into modeling. कितने satisfied हैं आप और how's it going?
Oh, well, I think it's fantastic. मैं जब पहली बार ये रैम पे चली थी तो it was a different kind of a high. It was something that I always wanted to do. It's probably the same feeling which a doctor would have when he's doing his first operation, or a pilot would have when they're flying their first jet. और now at least अभी तो मैंने बहुत ही ज़्यादा चल लिया है, इसलिए I'm a little not bored is not the right word, but I've overdone it for myself. So मैं breaks थोड़ा ज़्यादा लेती हूँ अभी. I don't do everything and anything that comes my way. But I still enjoy it, otherwise I wouldn't be here.
So
Suddenly I'm getting nervous.
are you ready?
Yeah.
तो फिर आज का जो collection है, firstly जो आज का outfit है जिसके बारे में बताएं।
ये जो collection है राकेश अभी बता रही थी मुझे कि it's inspired by the word poison. So the kind of colors that he's used, fluorescence and a lot of vibrant solid colors, and इनके जो styles है वो तो आप देख ही रहे हैं, बहुत ही खूबसूरत है, very feminine. हर एक के ऊपर अच्छा लगेगा ये, because it's not fitted. At the same time it gives you a body structure, body curve, and it's beautifully finished, and that's all I can say. He's a wonderful person and it just shows through his work.
और आपका association राकेश के साथ?
राकेश को मैं बहुत साल से जानती हूँ क्योंकि राकेश पहले तरुण तहलियानी के साथ काम करता था, and I know him since that stage, and we've always had this wonderful rapport because he's a wonderful person. वो बहुत ही एक simple सा personality है. He loves what he does, and that's what shows eventually, I guess. So today he's solo and खुद अपना label निकाला है, and today is the first day of the preview, and I love his clothes, so I'm sure the people around would too.